Vigliotti Landscape and Construction. Vigliotti is a full-service landscape construction contractor providing new home landscaping, excavation services, drainage installation, cement walkways, pathways, and driveways, along with lawn care, snow removal, retaining walls, and so much more. Vigliotti Landscape and Construction has been serving the Pittsburgh and surrounding areas since 1987, with quality, affordable services for home and business. Whether you require contracted site maintenance, lawn care, snow removal, design or installation, Vigliotti Landscape can get it done. Vigliotti can handle estimating, design, project management, and installation services for any commercial, residential, or industrial application. We have a vast amount of knowledge, equipment, and experience, and our friendly professional staff can solve your needs while saving you cost. Small job? Large project? Give Vigliotti a try. Contact Vigliotti Landscape and Construction. Visit us online at vigliottiscapes.com. To schedule an appointment or find out more, that's Vigliotti Landscape and Construction. We can get it done.